Jeff Kaplan's Afternoon News is next. Have a great afternoon.
Please, 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 please. Please.
KSL Common Sphere Soap Studios. This is KSL News Radio, Utah's news, traffic, and weather station. The following.
Finally!
His desire for a review of the central bank's operations. Details from correspondent Bernie Bennett. A day after calling on CNBC for an examination of the Fed's entire operation, Bennett says that he doesn't mean that the central bank leadership step down. President Donald Trump, conversely, has said he hopes Powell quits.
This is a monthly coordinated test of the broadcast stations and cable systems in your area.
Again?
Testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. Had this been an actual emergency such as severe weather, earthquake,
Utah again?
evacuation, the alert tone would have been followed by official messages. This station serves the Utah operational areas. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Warn you during emergencies. Had this been an actual emergency such as severe weather, earthquake, or evacuation, the alert tone would
Sorry
have
if
been
it's
followed by
only 5
official
actually
messages.
3 o'clock.
This
Videos
station
had to
serves
text me
the
today.
Utah operational areas. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Okay, good. Why is KTV not going yet? I bet oxygen. Did 30.1 go? Did KUCW go? Okay, I think 24 went. Okay, good. I passed it. Dang it! Okay, good. Wait. Now time for me to stop yapping and get the test over with.
The Utah operational areas. This concludes this test of the
I bet K really went.
Different times, you know.
Oh, good.
monthly coordinated test of the broadcast stations and cable systems in your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. Had this been an actual emergency such as severe weather, earthquake, or evacuation, the alert tone. Alert system.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed this alert tone.
This is a monthly coordinated test of the broadcast stations and cable systems in your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. Had this been an actual emergency such as severe weather, earthquake, or evacuation, the alert tone would have been followed by official messages. This station serves the Utah operational areas. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
When it comes to a tournament, and I'll tell you what, you know, Mama might be coming home again, so we'll see what's going on with this England team, because there's a little bit of magic, and as long as that well still has something in it, keep going to it.
Italy defended so well, Ari, and they left absolutely everything out there. Just wasn't meant to be. How do